It all starts where 210 tons of aluminum, copper, and steel are processed and transformed. Daily, over 4,000 coils, 50,000 copper tubing, and 25,000 steel parts are manufactured. All of these components, including purchased parts, are supplied to the assembly line according to the customer requirements, all of them with the support of qualified vendors and applying JIT methodology. With flexible assembly lines, over 4,000 air conditioning, heat pumps, and heat pump pool heaters are assembled daily, starting from 1.5 ton to 5 tons. Coils are bended, assembled, and brazed. Every brazed joint is certified by the ANSI AWS and leak tested with the latest technology and specialized systems to assure the quality of our coil. Focused on continuous improvement, critical operations are done with the help of the latest technology on the market. All of them under mistake-proofing techniques with operators certified by the quality assurance team. Aligned with industry's best practices, evacuation, charge, and run test stations are in line to assure every unit is tested as required. In synchrony with the main line, sub-assemblies are built in a one-piece flow manner to complete the unit assembly. Heat pump pool heater units are tested as RAPEC division requires. Once the quality of our product is assured, the AC unit is packaged. Just like all the assembly lines, this stage is also flexible, being capable of packaging different models in line without affecting capacity. Units are taken to the shipping docks directly to our clients.